Designed with controls that faithfully replicate real machines, Charlie allows trainees to practice on different types of forklifts. With an immersive and intuitive interface, learners quickly develop the right reflexes for lifting, moving, and setting down loads in realistic environments that reflect today's logistical challenges. The simulator offers a wide variety of work situations: warehouse driving, high stacking, slope navigation, sharp turns, maneuvers in confined spaces, and much more. Each scenario integrates essential safety rules with real-time alerts and corrections to strengthen the learning process.
You are moving with the forks too low.
Training modules cover all the skills required for safe and efficient forklift operation, with personalized progress tracking, automated evaluations, and detailed reports on accuracy and operational efficiency. For an even deeper level of immersion, the simulator is compatible with a virtual reality headset used in particular for Class 5 forklifts. It places trainees inside a fully interactive 3D warehouse, providing a refined perception of volumes, distances, and obstacles. This is a major asset for practicing complex maneuvers and handling high-risk situations in total safety. Our skill tracking software monitors learner performance and generates a complete training record with documented outcomes. Designed for training centers, logistics hubs, and companies, the Charlie Forklift Simulator is a key tool to professionalize training while minimizing risks. It puts technology at the service of both safety and performance.